Winter is here. Driving conditions during this time can be hazardous due to factors such as snow and ice on the roadways. While it's important that you're prepared for winter driving, it is also important that your car is in tip-top shape to battle those frigid elements. Here are some car winterization tips from Town & Country Ford to make sure that your car is ready for the road ahead. Pack a winter safety kit. In the event of an emergency, you'll be glad you kept some supplies on hand. Here are some things to pack in your winter driver safety kit: an ice scraper, a bag of sand and shovel, a cell phone, flares, first aid kit, extra antifreeze, flashlight and batteries, car toolkit, jumper cables, warm clothing, extra jacket, hat, socks, boots, non-perishable food and beverage items, a pack of matches. These items are sure to come in handy.